A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Thursday, the fourth day of the week. And children, today we will study English. In today's class, we will learn to read and recognize capital and small letters A to Z along with their sounds. And we will also revise songs of the letters A to X. Today, I am going to introduce you song of the letter Y. And written also, we will write capital Y in the notebook. Children, then we will practice our rhyme, Little Tommy Tucker. And in practice work, children, we will write Gha in our Hindi notebook. So, children, let's start our today's English class. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of pictures. Children, now let's revise sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. And today I am going to teach you a new song of letter Y. Okay? So let's start it. Capital A, small a. A says eh. Ants on my arms, ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. Children, we have done it so many times, and I know now you all are able to sing all these songs of different letters. Okay? Look here, children, this is capital B and this is small b. B says B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Now comes C. This is capital C and this is small c. C says K. We are clicking castanets. K. So C says K. Capital D, small d. D says D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a d d d d d d d d. D says D. Alright children, now comes E. This is capital E and this is small e. E says egg. Eggs in the pan. Cracks the eggs like this. E says F. Capital F, small f. F says my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. So F says. Now comes G, capital G and small g. G says G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 g. Now comes H, capital H, small h. It says H. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. So it says H. This is capital I and this is small I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. This is capital J and this is small j. J says J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. J says J. Now comes K children. This is capital K and this is small k. Kicking K. K says K. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. So K says K. Now comes L. Capital L and small l. L says L. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Now comes M. This is capital M and this is small m. M says The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Now comes N. Capital N and small n. N says Hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. N says Now comes O. O says O. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. It's time for bed, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. O says O. Now comes P children. This is capital P and this is small p. P says P. Puff out the candle on the pink picket. P. P. This is capital Q and this is small q. Q says Qu. The ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Q says Qu. This is capital R and this is small r. R says rrr. See my puppy rip the rag. Rrr, rrr. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. So R says rrr. Now comes S. This is capital S and this is small s. S says The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Now comes T children. This is capital T and this is small t. T says T. When I watch the tennis game, T. T. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. So, this is the sound of letter T. T says T. Now comes U children. This is capital U and this is small u. U says up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. So, U says Now children, this is capital V and this is small v. V says W. Dry Wicks went round the village. Dry Wicks went round the village. Whoa, 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 whoa. Children, now comes W. This is capital W and this is small w. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is going strong. Now children, X. This is capital X and this is small x. X is X. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Now children, today I am going to introduce you a song of letter Y. Look here children. This is capital Y and this is small y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. And now the last letter children. This is capital Z and this is small z. Z says Z. In this way children, you have to revise and learn sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. Children, today I will teach you to write capital Y. This is capital Y, Y for yacht. Okay children? Now let's have a look. There are so many things which start with the letter Y. Look here children. This is capital Y and this is small y. Y for yacht. Y for yak. This is a big animal which lives in mountains. Okay. So this is yak. Y for yoga, which is very beneficial for our health. So Y for yoga. Y for yolk. The yellow part of egg is known as yolk. Y for yo-yo. It is a type of a game which you all love to play. Okay, Y for yo-yo. So let's speak one more time. Y for yacht, Y for yak, Y for yoga, Y for yolk, Y for yo-yo. And the sound of Y is Y. And children, now I will teach you the song of letter Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. So Y says yeah. Now children, it's time to write capital Y. Now I'm going to teach you. So first I will write on the board which you have to watch. Okay. Now look here, this is today's date. Today is 12th August 2021. Children, first you have to put your pencil on the red line and you have to make a slanting line. See, like this. Till the first blue line. Then remove your hand. Now children, now this side you have to make again a one slanting line which is going to be longer. Okay. So like this. In this way. So first slanting line will be shorter and second one will be longer in the opposite direction. And this way you have to write capital Y. So see. Small slanting line. Then a big slanting line like this. In this way you have to write capital Y. Like this. Then remove your hand. Then on the other side again you have to make a longer slanting line till the second blue line. In this way you have to write capital Y. Now I will show you how you will write in a notebook. Children, now let's write capital Y in the English notebook. This is today's date. Today is 12th August 2021. So first we have to write today's date. Now children, let's write Y, capital Y. So put your pencil on the top red line and you have to make a small slanting line till the first blue line towards your right side. Like this. Okay. And then you have to make a longer slanting line till the second blue line and you have to make it longer on the opposite side like this. Look here children. In this way you have to write, again I am writing, watch it carefully. Small slanting line and a longer slanting line like this. See. The smaller will go towards right side and the longer will go towards left side. In this way you have to write capital Y. Look here. Like this. Now I am writing in the second line, so watch it carefully. See, like this. Children, now you can see I'm writing in the last line. So in this way you have to write capital Y in your notebook. And this is the last book. In this way you have to finish one page of capital Y in your English notebook. So write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to do practice work. And in practice work we will write घ से घड़ी in the हिंदी notebook. Okay? तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है? सबसे पहले आज की डेट लिखनी है. आज है 12th August 2021. इस तरह से. अब देखो बच्चों, आपको ब्लू लाइन पे पेंसिल रखनी है और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनानी है सबसे पहले. फिर अब इस लाइन से पहले हमको एक छोटा सा सी बनाना है और फिर एक लंबा सी बना के ऐसे उस लाइन से मिला देना है. देखो ऐसे, और फिर छत लगानी है. ठीक है, पहले छोटा फिर उससे थोड़ा सा लंबा, उसकी पूंछ लंबी बना के ऐसे मिला देनी है. देखो, और ये जो है ये नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से टच नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसे करेंगे. ठीक है, समझ में आया आपको? देखो यूं स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, एक छोटा सी, फिर देखो ऐसे वापस से सी बनाते हुए उसको इससे मिला देना है लाइन से. ऐसे. सो चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस वे आपको घ लिखना है. पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, फिर एक सी बनाया, एक और सी बनाते हुए उसको इस लाइन से मिला दिया और छत लगा दी. और इस तरह से वन पेज घ लिख के इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है. Children, now it's activity time. So bring your all for kids rhymes with worksheets book. And now children, open page number 13 and write today's date. Today is 12th August 2021, like this. Now it's activity time and this activity is based on the rhyme Little Tommy Tucker. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to find out the hidden names in the puzzle given below. See children, this is a type of puzzle. Okay, and there are many, we have to find out names of these things, like this is an apple, this is a banana, this is mango, and this is a bread, and this is guitar, and who is he? He's a boy. Okay, so let's find out their name in this puzzle. So children, look here, M-A-N-G-O, mango. So mango is here. So you just make a rectangular box like this, and then we can join it with mango like this children. Okay, I am teaching you the spelling. Okay, now see children, the next one is a banana. This is a fruit, banana. Let's find its name here in this puzzle. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Okay, so again children, you just make a rectangular box on this spelling like this, and then join it with this fruit with a pencil. Now this is an apple, A-P-P-L-E, A-P-P-L-E, apple. So again children, we will make a rectangular box like this, and then we will join it. Children, this is a bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Like this. And look here, who is he? He's a boy, B-O-Y, boy. So little Tommy Tucker is a boy. And what he is having in his hand? A guitar. Let's find the spelling of name of guitar in this puzzle. Guitar. Guitar. So again, children, make a rectangular box here and then you will join it with the guitar. In this way, you have to finish this activity, which you will definitely enjoy. So children, finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now let's practice our new rhyme. And its name is Little Tommy Tucker. So, let's recite it along with actions. As you know, Tommy Tucker is a little boy who sings for his supper. Means he does singing for his living. Okay children, so let's start this rhyme. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife. Let's say it one more time. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife. Thank you. In this way, children, you have to learn and recite this rhyme. So, learn it, recite it and make a video on it and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.